I just received Patrick Ta's newest launch and it literally says, don't share yet, basically. Do not share yet. I'm sharing. Also, this is the only video that you guys are gonna need to see to know if you guys should even spend your beautifully hard-earned money on these products because Patrick Ta is not cheap and I would never, ever, ever want you guys to be spending all of your money on something that is not worth it at all. So first we have the body cream. This is his Major Glow High Shine Skin Perfecting Body Cream. If I am not shining, like if my body's not glowing and shining, this is not worth it. By the way, you guys, this is 7.4 ounces. It looks massive, but it actually, if you flip it upside down, you will actually see that the cream does not actually take up the entire space of the packaging. So keep that in mind. It is 7 ounces though, so it's still a lot of lotion. As far as the smell goes, you guys, if you are familiar with Patrick Ta products and the smell that his products have, it's the same thing. It just picks up, ooh, it is thick. The consistency goes on thick, but once you're massaging it in, it literally melts in like butter. You can feel the oil. Guys, okay, this side has absolutely nothing on. Look at the difference between this side and this side. This is literally what I was expecting, and if this is not the type of glow that I was gonna be getting, no, I don't want it. I will say the one annoying thing about this is that it does leave streaks, so if you do this, you can literally see like the legit streaks on my body, so you really have to just like blend it in. Next, he launched a bronzing body oil. I don't know how this is gonna work for the light skin girlies because it seems pretty dark, but you know, oh, okay, super duper light. I do that again, but use my finger because I feel like that literally just like completely blended in. Went ahead and I applied it to this side only. As you can see, the glow is definitely there. It's not as bronzing as I would have thought. There's a hint of color, but it's so light. He also had his all over glow bomb in the PR package, which is this. But this is not new. I actually already have this and it's right here and I have used and abused this. It is literally like he took this and took this consistency, which is more of a solid, and turned it into a liquid, and it's literally that. Lastly, there is the hair and body fragrance mist. Let's do body first. Why am I not smelling anything? Okay, yeah, I smell it. It smells like florally sexy, luxurious. It does not smell like his signature scent in his body products. Okay, so my final thoughts, I mean, is the glow and shine there. Yeah, out of these 3 product launches, I honestly would take out the hair and fragrance mist. This right here is where it's worth your money. You can honestly go with buying one or the other because they're kind of the same. I'm not gonna lie, like they give you both that glowy finish. Different products, I will say, but like you can go with just buying one or the other. This, I feel like I have so many perfumes, I don't think I need this. Okay,